Hi guys, welcome to another exciting episode on our YouTube channel. My name is Edun Raphael. Today we'll be discussing advantages of Nethouse. We have many reasons. One, weather protection. Nethouse shield crop from hail, excessive rainfall, and excessive sunlight. Two, water conservation. Nethouse reduces evaporation rate and at the same time minimizing need for irrigation. 3. Pest control. Nethouse prevents insects from reaching the crops, reducing damage and disease transmission. 4. Extended growing season. Nethouse allows earlier planting and later harvesting. For instance, in this region, open field tomato production in the first quarter of the year has always been poor, and that's the main reason for this net house, just to shield the crop against harsh weather and provide optimal condition for the plants. Some reasons why net house is preferred to greenhouse. 1. Cost effective. Net house is less expensive, easy to construct and manage than greenhouse. 2. Ventilation. It reduces moisture buildup and risk of overheating. 3. Net shading. It provides shade, reducing extreme temperature and heat stress. 4. Easy to install. Net house is very easy to install than the greenhouse. Number 5. Less energy consumption. It requires lesser energy for cooling or for temperature control than that of greenhouse. In most cases, in the greenhouse, they make use of heat extractor, but in the net house, there's nothing like that. Galvanized steel is one of the important materials that is used as a base to hold the net firmly and give upright structure. Secondly, net. As you can see, this net is 40% shade. It has holes which allows air to penetrate into the structure. The net prevents pests and animals from entering into the structure, and as well insects. So the structure is being protected from foreign organisms. Net houses are suitable for a wide range of crops, which include vegetables. Example, tomato, cucumber, bell pepper, eggplant, okra. Fruits. Example, citrus, strawberries, blueberries. Tubers, we have sweet potatoes and then Irish potato. Root crops, example, carrot, beetroot. Then leafy green vegetables, which are lettuce, kale, spinach, and then flowers. Flowers can also be flowers and ornamental plants like hibiscus, rose. They can also be cultivated in net house. Herbs can also be cultivated in net house, and including cabbage. Cabbage too can be cultivated in net house. The type of irrigation system in the net house that is suitable is drip irrigation system. It is cost effective and then is water efficient. So it's very easy to um, control and to maintain. My advice for anyone that wants to build net house is that the person should deploy experts. Reason being that when the net house collapse, maybe at the fruiting stage of the crop, it's going to be a huge loss to the owner. So to prevent that, experts is being needed for the good work from onset. Two, maintenance. Repairing the nets. Each time there's a little hole, the repair should be um, urgent to be appropriate. Reason being that when wind comes, so if there is a large opening on the net, then wind may continue to drag the net from there. And then before you know it, a whole net is being torn. So it's very important. Maintenance, experts. Those two things are very, very important. Thank you.